Struggling to get your diesel engine fired up on a freezing morning is a huge headache, and if your scanner is showing the code P2606, it means your intake air heater circuit B is not performing the way it should. Diesel engines rely on high heat to ignite fuel, and when it is cold outside, they need a little extra help from an electric heater element to warm up the air before it enters the cylinders. This code is generic, so it applies to everything from a Duramax to a Power Stroke or a Dodge Cummins, and it specifically points to a range or performance issue within that secondary heater circuit. The system uses a combination of heater elements and relays along with temperature sensors to make sure the air is just the right temperature for a clean start and a smooth idle. If the computer detects that the voltage or resistance in this circuit is out of the normal range, it will trigger the check engine light, and you will likely deal with much longer cranking times or even a total failure to start when a mercury drops. You might also notice a very rough idle or the engine stalling out shortly after it starts because the air is just too cold to keep the combustion stable. Common causes for this problem include a burned out heater element or a faulty relay that is no longer clicking over to send power where it needs to go. Sometimes it is just a simple corroded connector or a damaged air duct that is letting cold air bypass the heater entirely. To troubleshoot this, you should first research the technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle to see if there are any known patterns for this code. Check the heater element and the blower motor if your truck uses one to see if they are actually turning on when commanded. Use your digital multimeter to check for continuity through the heater element and make sure you have solid power and ground at the relay. Be careful never to touch the element itself when it is live because it gets hot enough to cause serious burns instantly. If you find that the wiring and relays are good, but the heater still will not reach the right temperature, then the element itself has likely reached the end of its life. If you're not comfortable working with high amperage electrical systems, you should take it to a diesel specialist because these circuits pull a lot of juice and can be dangerous if handled incorrectly. Fixing this before the next cold snap hits will ensure your truck starts on the first turn every single time.